In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Chime using a debit card. If you're new to Chime or just looking for an easy way to fund your account, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. To get started, you'll first need to open the Chime app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. It's essential to ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during the process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom menu of the app. Here, you'll want to locate and tap on the option labeled Move Money. This is your go-to section for any money movement within the app. Once you're in the Move Money section, the next step is to select Transfer Money. This feature allows you to move funds from your linked accounts or debit cards into your Chime account. If you haven't linked a debit card or another account yet, you may need to set this up first, since it's a prerequisite for transferring funds. Now, under the From section, you'll see a list of available options. Here, you should choose your linked debit card if it appears on your list of accounts. This is the account from which the money will be withdrawn. After selecting your debit card, it's time to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to check your debit card balance before proceeding to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transfer. Once you've entered the desired amount, the next step is to specify your Chime account as the destination for these funds. This is usually straightforward, as your Chime account will be the default option in this section. Before you finalize the transaction, take a moment to review all the details carefully. Double-check the amount, the source account, and the destination account to prevent any errors. Once you're confident that everything is correct, go ahead and confirm the transfer. This step is crucial as it authorizes the movement of your funds. And there you have it. Once the transfer is complete, the money will be added to your Chime balance. This process is generally quick and should reflect in your account without much delay. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions, Chime's customer support is just a tap away within the app. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you now feel confident in adding money to your Chime account using your debit card. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Have a great day!